universally known as one of the hardest games to master. Practicing for hundreds of hours just to see minor improvements in your game. But what if we could use these practice hours more efficiently, turning these minor improvements into major ones, helping your game reach levels never before imagined. My name is Brian Henry, and as someone who's passionate about the game itself, I'm always looking for the next great device to improve my game. Together with my team, consisting of Jeff McKnight, Edward Telma, and Michael Portoriello, we have created just such a device, the Golf Ball Positioning System, or GBPS. GBPS is the new and innovative training aid that will revolutionize the way we practice and improve. See, the problem many players face is that their practice is contained exclusively to the driving range. While at the range, and with the use of current products on the market, players have the ability to carefully monitor their swings. They can secure data such as spin rate, launch angle, and even yardage. This data, in turn, allows players to see faults and make corrections. All these benefits, however, are lost when practicing on the actual course. Golfers want to go out and play, but they realize this is not optimal for improving until now. With the GBPS, for the first time, we can obtain tangible data from getting out and just playing. With the help of GPS technology and our creative manufacturing process, tour quality golf balls will have the ability to track every data point for every swing. Best of all of this data can be sent straight to your smartphone with our easy-to-use app. What GPS has done is created the best of both worlds by adding impeccable accuracy to arguably the most portable frame possible. GBPS can revolutionize how we obtain that all-important data. Furthermore, we can take GBPS where no other launch monitor can go, out on the golf course. It's one thing to learn on the driving range, it's another thing to learn while in the heat of competition. Now, like never before, you can get the analysis on your shots that actually count. Those shots that truly mean something, and in turn, get data that truly means something. The obvious question that needs to be answered here is who will buy this product? For this, we can look to both primary and secondary research to pinpoint and attack segments of the market that will most likely be able to buy our product. Our goal was to find the ideal target market, one that will not only use the product, but also embrace everything it has to offer. During our primary research, we noticed a common theme. Recreational golfers, those that play less than 20 rounds per year, were almost entirely uninterested in our product. Most comments stemmed from GPS was too complicated, or that personally, obtaining data analytics was just not a major priority. When talking to avid golfers, however, ones that played more than 20 rounds a year, we received a much better response. Of the 10 golfers surveyed, 5 reported interest in the GBPS. It was clear that our product was only intriguing to golf fanatics and professionals. Now that we had our target market, it's important to make sure that this target market has a substantial demand. For this, we turned to secondary research, learning the trends and themes currently affecting the golf equipment market. What we found was that avid golfers make up 23% of the golfing population. But what's even more important is that the same avid golfers account for 67% of golf sales equipment. Simply put, avid golfers, although they may be small in number, are more willing and able to spend money on equipment to be sure they are always playing at their best. And the GBPS can easily be that next great piece of equipment for them.
As a collegiate golfer, I find the idea of the GBPS very intriguing. For someone that spends hours on both the range and course working on my game, an analytical device that can be used on the course is something I could benefit greatly from without having to see a professional. Many of my peers are using swing analytics to improve their game, and this seems to be an extremely beneficial component to improving. I can see swing analytics becoming very popular in the coming years.
Let's take a brief look at the current competition GBPS is facing in the launch monitoring data analysis market. As you can see, current launch monitoring systems can range anywhere from $3,000 all the way up to $30,000, depending on aspects such as accuracy, size, and portability. TrackMan has long been regarded as the top-of-the-line system used by numerous professionals and teachers. Its accuracy is considered the best on the market. This system requires tons of hardware, however, meaning its portability is slim to none. AccuSport, on the other hand, has one of the lightest launch monitoring systems, weighing in at only 5 pounds. Although easy to move, this system lacks in accuracy and overall performance. As we have shown, the GBPS has a market. The next step is understanding how we will be profitable. GBPS will look to be licensed to one or more of the companies currently in the golf ball manufacturing market. At GBPS, our main core competency is going to involve technology, continuous improvement, and maintenance of the app, as well as GPS technology associated with our product. We will not, however, manufacture golf balls efficiently or have the same name brand recognition compared to other companies such as Titleist, Nike, Maxfly, or any of the larger players within the golf ball production scene. By partnering with these different companies, we can take advantage of their market position and core competencies and deliver the benefit of our technology and innovation, resulting in profits for both companies. This can also lead us into partnering with other name brand companies and organizations and give us credibility to be taken seriously in the golf marketplace. In order to obtain this licensing, it is incredibly important that GBPS markets correctly. By being a startup in Arizona, it's a huge benefit. It is known as one of the most substantial golf destinations in the entire country and is home to many top professionals and teachers. Our plan is to utilize this resource, distributing prototype balls throughout the valley to many of the top courses, giving players and teachers the opportunity to see for themselves the benefits GBPS can offer. We will also work to attend golf expos throughout the Southwest. These expos are attended by nearly every large company in the golf industry and may be the greatest way to increase awareness for our product. Just remember, the game of golf is constantly evolving. Drivers are being hit further than ever before. Wedges now generate unfathomable spin. Courses are stretching longer and the rough is rising higher. Now, with GBPS, data analysis behind every stroke is ready to evolve as well.